So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Now from here, open the link incognito window. Now simply click on I understand. Now from here, simply click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. And here you have to click on continue and then just authorize yourself. So just wait for it. Authorize. Okay. Now come to the lab instruction and come to task number 1. First of all, we have to just copy the files before we deploy our app. So just copy it one by one. After that, we have to change the directory and update the Python version. And then we have to add these items. So just open the file, we have to run it and hit enter. Now just use the down arrow key. And from here, we have to add these items. Okay. What you can do, you can do it from here also and just paste it directly. Now to exit, Control X, Y, hit enter. Now after that, just run this, update it. Now after that, come over here and just come down and just run this to create the application. And here you have to type the number which responds to the region. In my case it is different, in your case it will be different. So as in my case it's US East 1, so I'll find the number which is linked to it. It's 3, so I'll just type 3 and hit enter. Similarly you have to do as per the number which is showing responding to the region which is highlighted over here, right? So wait for it to get created. After that we'll deploy it. So finally it is created. Now we have to simply deploy it. So just copy it, paste over here, hit enter. And if it asks to continue, just type Y, hit enter. Now it will be deployed within few minutes. So finally here we are getting some error. Do not worry about it, just redeploy it. Type Y, hit enter. Let's see whether we are able to get the score or not. So although we got the score, but if you get error over here, you can try to check the score. You will definitely get the score over here, right? So just let's see whether it is working or not. So here you can see it is successfully completed, but in the first attempt we faced this error. So you can retry to rerun the deploy command again, but even we got the score, so you can end the lab. So whatever works, you can do it. So thank you. Have a great day.